Thousands of people across Colorado are waking up with no power this morning after several outages from those strong winds overnight.
Let's get right to 90's reporter Lauren Scafidi live in Parker this morning. Lauren, we know there was a major outage overnight there.
Hey, good morning. South Metro Fire was on scene here along Inspiration Drive in Parker while you were sleeping. It looks like all of the lights are back on this morning, but last night they called it an electrical emergency for a downed line or a downed transformer. I did talk to South Metro this morning. They say that when they got here, they didn't see anything last night at around 11:15. So here's the thing. It could have been lines that were just kind of blowing together, causing random sparks, but there was no hazard. So that is good news. South Metro says that was the third emergency call that they responded to last night. South Metro says that if you see a downed line, stay at least 30 feet away and just call 911. Do not try to take matters into your own hands. It still is pretty windy this morning. I've got my hair blowing around everywhere, but it's not just Parker that's had problems. This was something that we saw all across Colorado. Take a look at this map. Just checked the latest numbers. There are almost 9,000 outages across Colorado. Here's what that map looks like. The biggest number of outages you can see is for customers of Mountain View Electric Association. This morning they say that the wind is causing lines to gallop and they're seeing broken poles too. They say road conditions are really a problem to get to those places to make repairs. No timeline for when power will be back on for those customers yet. The number is almost 2,500 for Xcel Energy. It's right behind that at Xcel Energy is right behind that at around 2,000 outages. So the good news is that this wind should settle down around noon this morning. Right now we are live in Parker. Lauren Scafidi, 9 News. I want to send it on over to senior meteorologist Chris Bianchi. Chris, the wind is still blowing this morning clearly, but last night we were talking 70, 75 miles an hour.
Exactly. I mean, it was whipping, Lauren, and there's no doubt about it. That's the reason why we have those power outages there across the eastern plains. The good news is, while we have that weather impact alert for the next few minutes, it will get lighter in terms of that wind later today.